Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to talk about spread operator in JavaScript. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so far we have learned what is an arrow function, what is a string literal. Now let's see what is a spread operator. So for that, let's open our Visual Studio Code, and right here inside my arrow.js I'll just remove this code and I'll make a new array called ARR, and I'll just add some country's name inside it. First I'll write my country's name, then USA, then maybe China. And if I want to add a new array, let's name it my new array. Let's give it some other values, maybe South Korea or South Africa. And if I want to add all these three values also inside this array, what I can do is I can just concatenate these values, these array values inside my new array, or I can use the spread operator to do the same. So let's use our spread operator to do that. Just write comma and add three dots like this and write ARR, and you are good to go. Let me just show you that by just saving this file. Let's just print this new array, console.log my new array. Just save it again, go to your terminal. Alright, now go to the path of your file. So the path of my file is cd desktop and JavaScript. Okay, let's see where we are. Yes, we are at the right place. Now write node arrow.js, hit enter, and there you see the values of my new array is South Korea, South Africa, and by using spread operator I also added the other three values of my very first array, India, USA and China, inside my new array. So guys, that's how we use a spread operator. What it do is it just write all those values, all those items inside that particular variable, and simply add all the values of an array inside some other array, or you can use an object also, and you can just directly use all those values without using any concatenation function. All we had to do was to just write these three dots and the name of our array, and this solves our problem to add all these three values inside my new array. So guys, that's how we use a spread operator, and this is the power of a spread operator. So guys, that's all for this video. If you have any doubt, please comment down in the comment section down below. I'll surely reply to that. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such videos in future. And yes, please do not forget to watch all the videos in this playlist so that you can get a good hold on all the basics of JavaScript. So guys, that's all for now. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Jai Hind.